Do you have a HP laptop that you simply want to factory set to the beginning of time? Let's say you want to wipe it clean, you want to start from fresh, or you simply want to sell it or give it away. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory set that HP laptop. So to get started, what you want to do, just right click on Windows icon on your taskbar if you're using a Windows 11, or if you're using a different Windows, you can go to settings. Basically, the steps from there are pretty straightforward. So as I'm using Windows 11, we go to settings, and within the settings, your token system on the left side, scroll down and find recovery. Under the recovery, you can quickly go ahead and choose an option that says reset this PC. We click on that, then we choose to remove everything because that's what we want to do. Right. Then the next step is to choose how we want to download Windows. That could be a local reinstall from this device or cloud, whichever one. If you have active internet connection and want to have the latest downloads, choose the cloud option to download it, and it's going to download and reinstall it for you. Then you choose next right here, and you will see basically what it's going to reset. So all that is going to reset is that it's going to remove the user accounts, all the files that you have, all the applications, everything is going to reset. And as you can see right here, it's going to remove all personal files and user account. It's going to remove all changes made in settings. It's going to remove all the apps and programs, and it's going to download and reinstall Windows for you. And you just need to be patient, and you need to have at least 3.3 gigabytes on your computer hard drive to be able to do this, which I hope most of you do have. Now, once you're ready, click on reset and just sit back and wait for the PC to do the rest. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.